Hey students, I'm going to show you guys what you're doing for your daily 5 today, in particular what you're doing in writing today. Word work, you're going to be working on your Spelling City Words Their Way spelling words for 20 minutes, and you're completing the activities from your tic-tac-toe board that you should have taken home. If you don't have your tic-tac-toe board, you can still do your Spelling City Words Their Way spelling words. Read to self today, 20 minutes of read to self. Make sure you set a 20-minute timer. Don't stop before the 20 minutes are up. Make sure you get a full 20 minutes of reading in and picking a good fit book. Okay. Very last thing, the work on writing, we're going to click on voice writing in Google Classroom. And then it's going to be a doc in there. It's called voice writing. And you are going to be writing in Google Classroom in Docs, and you're going to either use a serious, funny, or mysterious voice to write a story in your Google Voice Writing document. So that'll be in Google Classroom. You get to choose whether you're going to write in a serious voice, funny voice, or mysterious voice. It's up to you what kind of story you make. You can be as creative as you want. It can be a made-up story, or it can be a true story. It is your choice for today. The only qualification is that you do this in your Google Classroom under the voice writing topic. Okay, that will be available in your writing in Google Classroom.